Hi, my name is Jeff McGregor and I'm the CEO and founder of Wonks. The current economic situation and looming recession means we need real planning and a commitment to do things better and smarter than we've done before. We also need a step change in our thinking and a focus on getting us all back to work. The government has helped kickstart the economic rebuild by investing more funds into the regional business partner network. Companies may be eligible for co-funding of up to $5,000. However, it is my view companies shouldn't claim as much as possible, but instead work with a service provider who has a clear focus on real results. We should be aiming to benefit as many Kiwi businesses as possible. The initial fund was exhausted quickly, and we anticipate demand will be high again. So encourage business owners not to dither about with their recovery. Wonks' mission for the past 10 years has been to educate and to grow knowledge about online tools for business. Our focus has always been about real results and achieving your business objectives. All our work is transparent. We can issue job activity reports at any time with clear accounting of the tasks we completed. We take pride in the work we deliver, and we want to contribute effectively to the economic rebuild. During lockdown, we spent more than 300 hours developing 50 plus free how-to lessons that are helping business owners grow leads and revenue for their companies. You'll find these on our website. We think our strategic data plan service, registered on the Regional Business Partner Network, will help businesses make a smarter choice about how they invest online, and we will build together an even stronger Kiwi economy. Your business may be eligible for funding, and you can register on the network and apply for a voucher. Let's work together to intelligently rebuild New Zealand's economy. Head to our website, www.wonks.co.nz, and check out our strategic data plan, or you can call us 0800 932 9665, that's 0800 Wonks, to discuss your business requirements.